CAGED system is taking an open chord, and an open chord is defined as any chord that has an open string or strings as part of the chord. So a C chord is one of them. It has an open G string and an open high E string. An E chord is another one. It has open E, open E, open B. Let's use that to start. So let's say I want to move this chord up by 1. Well, I can easily move the fretted notes by 1. But what about the other notes, the open notes? They also have to be moved up equally. So that means by 1. So we have to fret those on 1. How do we do that? We have to free up our index finger by covering and using our pinky finger to cover those notes that we just had covered. And our index finger is going to be the one. It's going to bar. It's going to cover 1. So we end up with this shape, which is a famous or popular barre chord shape. We can do that same exercise with all chords. A minor, let's move it up by 2. 1, 2. Well, any open string, which is the A string and the high E string, we now have to move up by 2 as well. Let's use our pinky finger and other fingers to free up our index finger, and here's how we cover those. On 2, we use a bar. Then that gets the A string and the high E string covered on 2. Now we have a movable version of this. So this is a minor chord, anywhere we move it. If I took just the regular A minor shape and I did bar, it's not a minor chord anymore. It becomes many different things as we move up. So that's in essence is how the CAGED system works. We can take any chord, anything. It could be like a D7. So D7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll move it up by 5. Use the trick with our pinky. The open string, which is the D string, we have to cover on 5 because we moved it up by 5. And now we have a movable 7 chord. Same thing with C major 7, A7, A minor 7, D major 7. It doesn't matter. Any open chord we can take. So try that out. I mean, you end up with some cool chord patterns that can really end up expanding your knowledge base on chords, because you're just really taking your open knowledge and moving it to a fretted, to a closed, movable position.